Golf GTI, stage 2.2, 300 something horsepower. I love the sound. Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you're watching Approaching Driving. And today I'm not filming on GoPro, I'm filming on my phone. And it's Friday, June 3rd. It's really hot, 25, not 33 yet, but also warm. And I'm not working today, as you can see. Lol. I'm going to a cottage today. There will be a lot of interesting stuff to film. I will take the GoPro with me. It's just right now I didn't have any time to take it with me, but I wanted to start filming. So this is how my day starts. See you guys later. Golf GTI, stage 2.2 or something like that. Pretty cool. 300 something horsepower. Our weekend is ending. Just recording some footage of the house where we stayed for the weekend. Love this room. Look at this view. Blue Mountain, amazing. And I love those snowshoes. Pretty cool. Today's Sunday is getting to the point where I'm gonna drive the GTI.
Сейчас все будет, подожди.